This is Dawn Fraser from Living Your Best Life at 60. Today we're going to be making chocolate chip banana bars. You need 3 bananas, 2 cups of flour, a cup of sugar, 2 eggs, 2/3 cup of buttermilk. Today I'm using 2/3 cup of milk with a tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of baking powder and a teaspoon of baking soda, a stick of butter, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, a teaspoon of salt, and chocolate chips. So let's get started.
We're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. We're going to combine 1 cup of sugar, a half a cup of butter, and 2 eggs. We're going to mix our ingredients until fully combined. Now we're going to slice our 3 bananas. Once the bananas are sliced, we're going to mash them. You can use a food processor. I'm using a spoon because I didn't want the extra cleanup. We're going to add our mashed bananas to our batter. We're going to pour in 2/3 cup buttermilk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla. We're going to use a mixer to combine all our ingredients. Now we'll add 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of salt, and now we're going to combine these ingredients with a mixer. Now for the best ingredient, 1.5 cups of chocolate chips. We're going to pour those in and stir them in gently with a spoon. We're going to pour our batter into a greased pan and spread it out evenly. We're going to bake this for 30 minutes at 350 degrees. This smells delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you for cooking with me.